What's up, you guys? It's Anam Khan. In today's video, I want to go over 4 reasons why I think Tesla can explode potentially after its earnings tomorrow. So let's start off by talking about earnings. Tesla reports its earnings for fourth quarter tomorrow after hours. All right. And I think there are a few possible catalysts that can make this stock fly. So let's go over them real quick in this video. So first of all, it's at a relatively cheap price right now. Okay. So Tesla hit a high of like, I think over 1,200 bucks. Right now it's hovering around at the time of this video around $909. I think it got as low as like 870 or something. So relatively, it's pretty cheap. Could it go lower? Yes, very possible. Could it go higher? Yes, I definitely think there's opportunity there. Now, if you think of it from an investor's point of view and not a trader's point of view, I think it's a pretty good time. Anytime when it's 3 digits, man, it's a good time to buy Tesla. And so when you think of the next 4 or 5 years, I think 900 bucks per share, it's a pretty good price compared to what Tesla plans on doing. Now, with that being said, a few things we want to keep in mind. So Tesla destroyed its delivery numbers end of fourth quarter last year. So December they came out with their delivery numbers. It blew out expectations. It was insane. Now, based off of that, we can make a pretty good educated guess that they will most likely destroy earnings. So that's one reason why I think Tesla will explode after their earnings call tomorrow. Another reason, they actually received an upgrade in terms of their credit ratings by Moody's. So what does that mean? It means now they're only one level below investor grade assets. So that's a very big deal. And after tomorrow's earnings, it could improve also. So we talked about the relatively cheap price. We talked about how they destroyed delivery numbers, which means they will probably destroy earnings. We talked about their credit upgrade. Now, one more thing that could possibly have Tesla stock flying tomorrow or have it crashing tomorrow, and that is none other than future forecasts. So depending on so generally when you have an earnings call, it's not always the earnings that make the stock fly or crash. A lot of times it can be, but a lot of times it's the future forecasts that mean a lot more. If you destroy earnings, but your future forecasts are horrible, you think the pandemic is going to destroy your earnings next quarter, then you could possibly have your stock crash. Where on the other point of view, if you did not meet earning expectations, but you have crazy forecasts, positive forecasts, then your stock can go flying. So depending on what Tesla shares for their forecasts, is what can really have the stock fly. For example, they can talk about Cybertrucks. They can talk about their insurance business, which is actually, from what I'm hearing and reading, it's growing. Um, there have been rumors about a Tesla phone. We never know if something like that comes out. And also, maybe there's an update on the $25,000 car. So if any of these things come up in the earnings call tomorrow, we can expect the stock to fly. But on the other hand, if Elon Musk, let's say he mentions supply chain issues or things slowing them down or the chip shortage, stuff like that, if he mentions things like that, we can also expect the stock to crash. But again, when you put everything in perspective, I mean, Tesla definitely spoke about their supply chain issues last quarter, and they destroyed delivery numbers. So if it's supply chain issues, then I'm willing to go with Elon Musk. You never bet against Elon Musk. So again, I figured those were a few quick points just to point out before the earnings call tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear about it from you guys. Comment below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys next time.